Do you want to translate this paragraph into any language? Then you must see this video. And the reason for doing this is sometimes you have a long paragraph that you want to translate in any language, then you have to do this. So for that, just select everything and click on translate. Then here you can select the language. For example, I will select Nepali, and you can see the Nepalese language over here, and you can click on insert. Same like that, if you want to choose different language like Chinese, then you can use Chinese language as well. So by this way you can translate any paragraph into any language so that it will easy your work. Hope you like the video. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.